Hello everyone, Tom here again from Smartland. Over the years, I have been getting a very common question. What separates us out as a turnkey provider? So today, I just wanted to make a quick video to kind of go over a couple points that I think really makes us different from the rest of the other options out there. Number one, we actually own our properties. Some other companies out there I know will show you properties off the MLS, or they'll act as real estate agents and they'll show you homes that they think look good. That's not what we do. Our properties are homes that we actually invested in first. We took the time to locate them, find out what cities they're in, what streets they're on, and we decided that these properties are going to make good investments, so we actually invested in them first. Number two, all of the renovations on our properties have been standardized. Each one looks very similar from the next. If you go and look at all of our properties, you'll notice they have very similar look and feel to them. We use the same paint, we'll use the same kitchen appliances, we'll use the same flooring material, the same light fixtures. This way, if there's any kind of maintenance, there's any kind of move outs we need to do, we know exactly what we need to do to make these homes rent ready again. And also, unlike some other companies out there, when you're looking around at properties, you're not too sure what you're going to get between each one. With us, if you've seen one, you've pretty much seen them all. They just have some slight variations here and there, but pretty much they're very similar. Number three, we do not make you go with a particular lender. We understand what it's like when there are other companies out there that try to make you go with a preferred lender, someone you've never worked with before in the past, and now you have to do business with them. That's not how we operate. Now, if you ever need suggestions, we can always offer that, but we always leave it open to you as the investor to pick the lender that you feel comfortable with. Number four, we also supply the property management. I know there are other options out there for turnkey companies that after they sell you the home, they kind of push you off onto another property management company, and all of a sudden after purchasing this property, you're being introduced to a whole new company that's going to handle your property management. And you kind of just have to go with the turnkey provider's word that they are a good property management company. That is not how we operate. We do all of the property management in-house. That is where our foundation is, and it is very important to us. With our property management, we offer our 24-hour maintenance team, we do lease renewals, rent collections, evictions if we need to, move outs, everything. We do it all right here in-house. You'd still talk to the same people you talked to when you were purchasing the property. It's a very smooth transition. You don't have to worry about meeting a whole new team of people. It's the same people you've been working with since day one. Number five, we do not close on our properties until there are tenants in place. I know there are other companies out there who might sell you a home that's vacant, and then you have to sit on a vacant property and wait for a tenant to be placed. That is not how we work. The idea of a turnkey is that it is going to be cash flowing from day one. You can go under contract with any of our properties at any point, but we will not close and transfer title until there is a tenant in place and you're going to be cash flowing right away. That's the only thing that makes sense with a turnkey. It has to be cash flowing from day one to make it a true turnkey. So come and check us out if you haven't yet already. Maybe there's an investment we have that's just waiting for you. Check us out at smartland.com. Order your free investor kit today, or call one of our sales representatives right now. We're always standing by on the phones. Give us a call. My number personally is 440-749-4043. Until next time, see you soon, investors.